What a fight. What a main event tonight.
TBS title on the line.
What a 3-hour block it's been. And there you see next week on Dynamite. You talk about an explosion.
Another chair.
Chair to the midsection. As now
for that code blue.
Looking for code blue. Willow shrugs her off. Boot to the midsection. Body slam. Woo! On the chair. As Willow to the top.
What are we doing, Willow?
The knees in the midsection onto the chair.
Yeah, the knees hit real hard. You're right, Excalibur.
This is your chance, Skye Blue.
Is this the opening Skye Blue needed?
What a fight.
This is our opportunity now. Skye Blue's come close so many times.
Going to the outside is Skye Blue. What hasn't been introduced into this match?
What else is under here?
Oh, no!
Who's building this thing?
The barbed wire board.
Somebody built that and put it under there.
Brother. I mean, both ladies have tacks all over them right now. Now there's going to be barbed wire.
Oh, Willow. Big elbow strike, Skye Blue. Oh, kick to the side of the head.
At that time, Willow almost went head first into the barbed wire. Did you see that?
Skye, maybe think a Death Valley driver here.
Yeah,
does she have the power to get Willow up, though?
That's the question. Good question.
Oh, wait.
Got a gut wrench here.
Willow.
Holy
Spade with the... In the barbed wire! 2, 3! Oh, my goodness.
Jeez, what have we seen?
Is your winner and still TBS champion, Willow Nightingale.
It's going to take a while for both ladies to heal after this, I can tell you that.
Whoa! You got 4 weeks' time, Willow.
What a match, what an effort by both women. And have we seen the end of the rivalry between Willow Nightingale and Skye Blue? I don't know. But what we do know for certain is that on Sunday, May 26th, Willow Nightingale remains the TBS champion, and she will have Mercedes Moné, the CEO, across the ring as a challenger.
What a great night. What a great night. We look forward to seeing everybody on Dynamite in Edmonton on Wednesday.
That's right, 1 week from tonight, Dynamite live right here on TBS, and then Collision returns Saturday, May 11th, 8 p.m. Eastern on TBS. Thank you for joining us. Fans, we will see you next week in Edmonton.